Factorize completely the following expression. We have 35y cubed minus 7y minus 14y squared. Notice that we have 35, we have 7, and we have 14. And so we ask ourselves the question, what is the highest number that can go into 35, 7, and 14 without leaving a remainder? And the answer is definitely 7. 7 can go into 35, 7 can go into itself, and 7 can go into 14 without leaving a remainder. So we put 7 on the outside. Next, we notice that this expression has y, this expression has y, and this expression has y as well. And so y goes on the outside. And so on the outside, we have 7y. Next, we ask ourselves, okay, what times 7 gives us 35? Well, the answer is 7 times 5 gives us 35, and that's why we put the 5 here. And we ask ourselves, okay, well, what times y gives me y to the third power? And the answer is y times y squared is y to the third power. Next, we say, okay, what times 7y gives us 7y? And the answer is 7y times 1 is 7y. And so we already have this term accounted for because 7y times 5y squared is 35y to the third power. And we have this term accounted for because 7y times 1 is 7y. Now we have to go on to the third one. We ask ourselves, okay, what times 7 gives us 14? Well, 7 times 2 is 14. And we ask ourselves, okay, what times y gives us y squared? And the answer is y times y is y squared. And so we have that 7y times 2y is 14y squared. And what we have at the bottom is the factorized form, or is the factored form of the expression that we have on top. And so we are done. This is our answer to this question.